Raw power is initialized. Molten steel is violently cast into a monolithic mold, forging the invincible skeletal pivot of the Titanic lift.
Extreme precision is applied. Automated matrices violently torque the monolithic forged steel pins, designed to withstand catastrophic structural vectors.
Lower it slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Almost there, easy.
Aggressive mobility. Monolithic run-flat claws are violently torqued to the massive hubs, prepared to conquer catastrophic industrial terrain.
Precision overkill validated. Automated augers violently spin the monolithic rotating ring, confirming absolute dynamic equilibrium under fire.
The digital spine is wired. Master tacticians connect thousands of dynamic nodes. Engineering.
Activation complete. The monolithic purging Leviathan, now weaponized with dynamic augers and AI dominance, awakens him.
Counterweight deployment initialized. Monolithic 100-ton gravity matrices are violently torqued to the deck, balancing catastrophic operational vectors. The containment is breached. The monolithic command vault violently opens, exposing the absolute apex of autonomous aerial warfare.
Kinetic rotors initialized. Hundreds of reinforced carbon fiber blades violently spool to the red line, engineering a catastrophic aerodynamic lift matrix.
The hive mind is unleashed. 50 monolithic logistical predators violently ascend.
Inside the digital sanctuary, master tacticians monitor the catastrophic neural web as the swarm.
The payload is secured. Uncompromising magnetic claws violently lock onto 500 pounds of raw kinetic ammunition, ready for frontline distribution.
Catastrophic frontline logistics. The swarm violently bypasses the shattered Earth, delivering
survival by air. The logistical predator violently executes a micro-precision trauma drop, delivering life-saving armor directly into the chaotic abyss.
Attack support engaged. The hive mind violently paints the adversary with high-frequency targeting lasers, engineering an absolute, inescapable kill box.
The swarm returns. Millions of data points violently guide the exhausted predators back to Mancore for a
The future of heavy logistics is autonomous. The swarm dominates the sky. Unbreakable.
Surviving the atmospheric hellfire, the exhausted hive mind violently descends through catastrophic airspace, homing in on the monolithic command core for resurrection. Absolute kinetic deceleration. Monolithic magnetic clamps violently secure the returning predator, halting its chaotic velocity in a fraction of a second. Transfusing the electrical blood. Uncompromising robotic appendages violently inject catastrophic high voltage power, resurrecting the exhausted carbon fiber core.
The kinetic hot swap. Master automated matrices violently purge the empty geometry, slamming 500 pounds of raw.
Engineering the salvation vector. The autonomous is violently equipped. Inside the mastermind hub, the absolute turnaround matrix is completed in seconds. The warfighter commands an uncompromising ecosystem with zero operational downtime.
The spearhead is weaponized. Attack support nodes are violently armed with catastrophic kinetic warheads, engineering absolute offensive supremacy.
The hive mind is resurrected. Hundreds of newly weaponized and fully charged predators violently ascend.
Attack vector executed. The swarm violently paints the adversary, delivering an uncompromising, inescapable kinetic purge from the sky.
The ultimate logistical ecosystem. The swarm cedes nothing. The command core marches on. Unbreakable.
The light is extinguished. The monolithic swarm violently cuts all visual signatures, plunging into absolute, uncompromising stealth mode.
Dominating the invisible spectrum, the hive mind violently navigates the abyss using military-grade thermal optics, turning the pitch.
The phantom delivery. 1,000 pounds of raw logistical armor is violently lowered into the host zone. The unseen spearhead. Passive infrared matrices violently lock onto catastrophic heat signature. Gravity is weaponized.
extraction from the shadows. Uncompromising autonomous claws violently secure the thermal life signature, executing a micro-precision medical evacuation entirely in the dark.
The Phantom's return. Millions of data points violently guide the silent predators back to the Command Core. The Master of the Dark. The Swarm Command Core engineers absolute terrors. Unbreakable.
The sanctuary is breached. The Monolith Command Core takes catastrophic kinetic impacts, triggering the absolute, uncompromising swarm
Inside the Mastermind Hub, the neural net violently shifts from logistics to an absolute kinetic shield.
Instant fortification. The heavy lift predators violently deploy monolith pivots, engine target perimeters.
The ultimate sacrifice. The hive mind violently intercepts catastrophic incoming vectors, absorbing absolute kinetic destruction to protect the core. Engineering the barricade. Thousands of pounds of monolithic concrete are violently dropped, forging an uncompromising physical shield against the apocalypse. The counterpurge is initialized. The spearhead violently delivers shape-charge hellfire, engineering an inescapable tactical nightmare for the besiegers.
The core repositions. The 24-liter thermo-heart screams to the red line, violently extracting the command vault from the catastrophic kill box.
Goals Protocol. The swarm violently deploys a catastrophic wall of blinding chaff and smoke,
blinding the adversary. The hive mind violently executes optical suppression, ensuring the monolithic core escapes into the uncompromising abyss.
The siege is broken. The ultimate logistical ecosystem survives the apocalypse. Unbreakable.
A vertical abyss. The monolithic command core breaches the shattered megacity, unleashing the hive mind into the
micro-precision in the apocalypse. The swarm violently navigates the chaotic urban geometry, dodging catastrophic debris in milliseconds. Vertical supply chain executed. The kinetic predator violently breaches the fortified perimeter, slamming 500 pounds of raw ammunition to
inside the Mastermind Hub.
Flooding the arteries. Uncompromising autonomous micronodes violently breach the internal geometry, engineering absolute environmental dominance from within. The vertical purge. Attack vectors violently suppress the apex predators of the city, erasing hostile overwatch in a catastrophic storm of kinetic energy.
High-altitude salvation. Uncompromising medical architecture violently executes a vertical extraction, defying gravity and hellfire.
The unstoppable vertical artery. The hive mind violently engineers a continuous, catastrophic logistical loop.
The anchor of the apocalypse. The monolithic core violently dominates the ground, ensuring the sky remains absolute.
The concrete mountain is conquered. The ultimate logistical ecosystem dominates the skyline.
Atmospheric hellfire. The monolithic command core violently breaches the sub-zero abyss, deploying the hive.
Rotational defiance. Traditional aviation is grounded. The swarm violently ascends, engineering absolute lift against catastrophic freezing gales.
Kinetic thermal purge. Uncompromising carbon fiber geometry violently shatters the freezing death grip, maintaining absolute aerodynamic supremacy.
Sanctuary. Master tactician violently strip away the blinding storm.
The thermodynamic rescue vector. 1,000 pounds of heated, life-saving armor is violently dropped into the frozen void.
The abrasive hellscape. The hive mind violently transitions to the scorching abyss, engineering an
hermetic kinetic dominance. Sealed monolithic motors violently consume the abrasive storm, refusing to choke under absolute atmospheric friction. Zero visibility logistics executed. The kinetic predator violently breaches the blinding dust, slamming 500 pounds of raw ammunition into the host zone. The uncompromising hot swap. Gargantuan robotic appendages violently fight the atmospheric drag, engineering a flawless.
The atmosphere is conquered. The ultimate logistical ecosystem dominates the extreme elements. Unbreakable. The Leviathan returns to the Forge, entombed in the catastrophic debris of global warfare.
A hypervelocity atmospheric purge. Automated pneumatics violently obliterate the catastrophic battlefield trauma,
amputating the exhausted geometry. Uncompromising robotic appendages violently swap the shattered rotors, engineering a
microscopic structural resurrection. Blinding laser matrices violently scan and purge invisible kinetic trauma, forging an unbreakable, flawless titanium skeleton.
The hive mind is enlightened.
Master tacticians violently upload catastrophic new combat treachery. The monolithic arsenal is restocked. Thousands of pounds of raw, catastrophic munitions are violently locked into the vault.
The thermodynamic core violently ignites. The 24-liter heart breathes pure oxygen, screaming to life to...
The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violently open, exposing the resurrected ecosystem to a fresh...
The synchronized ascension. Hundreds of flawless, weaponized predators violently take flight, forming an unbreakable...
The future of warfare is a machine. The swarm logistics ecosystem dictates the terms of survival.